So here I am. I've just passed a lovely little town called Cowan. This is on the old Pacific Highway. Sunday late afternoon, and the reason I'm on the bike is because I've got a off-road course coming in a few weeks time. It's the BMW adventure bike off-road course, and I'm doing the second level on the weekend in February. It's about the third week in February, and I just thought, the last time I was there, I noticed that the guys doing the level 2 very quickly went and got straight into it. When you do level 1, the guys very kindly make sure that you are comfortable. They go through a lot of stuff, but I'm suspecting that with the level 2 course, the assumption is that you half know what you're doing, so they just get straight into it. So I'm heading off to I just thought I'd just be on the bike, get on the dirt a little bit, see if I can do a few little rides where there's a bit of technical stuff happening, and there's a caravan park on the Hawkesbury that's got quite an interesting road to get to. I don't know how they get the caravans and stuff down there, but anyway, so I thought it might be just an idea to go and have a look and see what the road condition is, and just get on the pegs a bit. So that's the intention of today, and this is a beautiful ride. The tire condition, or the surface condition, is absolutely fantastic. It's 80 k's, it's fast enough, I guess. And at the end of this little section of the road is a place called Pie in the Sky, which in my opinion serves up the best pies in Sydney. It's just on this bend here, and you'll see on a good day you can't move for motorcycles in there. Pie in the Sky. There's a little corner here that tightens up on you for the unexpected. It's a little bit tricky. It just keeps on tightening and tightening, and I remember the first time I came along, it was really took me by surprise. I thought, oh, okay, that's an interesting corner. So not too sure what the road's going to be like, but anyway, this is it. Greenman's Valley. No through road, narrow, limited parking bays, 5 kilometers. Okay, here we are. It looks like it's in quite good nick, this road, actually. Not too bad at all. Some of it's tar, some of it's not. Second gear, around the corner. Yep. Oh, that didn't look too good, that crashed up car. Yeah. Last time I came down here it was really rutted. Lean back. Seems obvious, hey, lean back on the downhills, and I'm leaning forward. So all the way down to this really nice little caravan park. The last time I was here, wow, this is a dream. The last time I was here there were ruts everywhere. So it was really difficult to negotiate the some of the bends, but this is not too bad actually. Lean all the way back. Big pothole there. Yep. Thing is, if you hit the potholes, you just got to I don't know, maybe clutch in, lean back, don't hit the brakes. I always remember listening to some YouTube videos with Simon Pavey. I think that's his name. He's the guy who did the training for Charlie and Ewan, and he was saying that a lot of times you find that when the going gets tough, people sit down, and that's exactly the time when you should stand up. So that wasn't too bad at all. They got a gate. Alright, so here we are, on our way up. It's amazing how they just cut this road out of here. Oh, how much must that have cost? Just for a caravan park. There we are. That's not too bad. There's a donga, up and over. Yep, there we are. And around the corner. Into first. Yep. Come on, get round. There we are. Yep. There we are. There we are. It wasn't too bad. Lean forward and accelerate. There we are. Easy peasy. Just thought I'd stop and just show you the view. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can see down the bottom there's the river. But as I'm sure you can see, I'm standing in the shade. It's 34.5 degrees. Don't know what on earth I'm doing. I was sitting in a pool at home. Now I'm in my boots and jacket and gloves and helmet. And 34 going on 35 degrees heat. I say mad dogs and Englishmen. Anyway, it's worth it. Any time on the bike is good time spent. Alright, well, no use dilly-dallying and wasting time. Might as well get going. Once I get going, obviously get some air through the jacket. That'd be marvellous. Alright, so here we go. There we are. Beautiful, beautiful bush. Here's that car. Came to a sticky end. I must say the low down power of these bikes really helps. You know, going, hardly even going, and they're in second gear and it just pulls away beautifully. There we are. Well, we're at the top now, so this is it. There we are. Oh man, just love this. Just want to do it all the time. Anyway, 3 weeks time I think we will be doing exactly that.